Want to unlock that sweet new operator skin or max out your battle pass in Call of Duty, but you're wondering if that Apple gift card you got can actually help? Let's break it down subtly. You cannot directly redeem an Apple gift card to purchase Call of Duty points for console versions like Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2, Modern Warfare 3, or Black Ops Cold War on PlayStation, Xbox, or PC. These purchases go through the respective console stores, not the Apple App Store. Now, for Call of Duty Mobile, it's a little different. If you're playing COD Mobile on an iPhone or iPad, then yes, you can use your Apple gift card, but you need to add it to your Apple account. Here's how. First, open the App Store app on your iPhone or iPad. Next, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Then, select Redeem Gift Card or Code. You can either manually type in the gift card code, or if you prefer, aim your camera at the code, and the app will automatically detect it. Now, launch Call of Duty Mobile and head to the in-game store. Choose the amount of COD points you want to buy. When the payment screen pops up, it will use your Apple ID balance, which now includes the funds from your gift card. It's that simple. Just remember, this only works for COD Mobile on Apple devices, so enjoy those new skins and upgrades, and happy gaming!